In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create wireframes in Whimsical. Wireframing is a crucial step in the design process, especially for web and app development. It allows you to outline and visualize the layout and functionality of your design before diving into the more detailed aspects. If you're ready, let's get started on how you can create wireframes using Whimsical, a fantastic tool designed to make this process smooth and efficient. First, head over to the Whimsical login page. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the login page for Whimsical. Once there, log in with your account details. If you're not already registered, take a moment to sign up and set up your profile. This will be your first step towards accessing all the amazing features Whimsical has to offer for wireframing and beyond. Upon logging in, you'll need to select your account. If you have multiple accounts linked, make sure you're logged into the correct one related to your current project or where your templates are stored. This will help in maintaining a structured and organized space for your project files and wireframes. Once you're in, look for the option to create something new. This is typically found on your dashboard as a button labeled Create New. Clicking this is your gateway to starting fresh or using templates that can drastically ease and speed up the wireframing process. After clicking Create New, you'll be prompted with a menu of options. From here, select From Template. Whimsical offers a range of templates that can serve as a helpful starting point, particularly if you're new to wireframing or want inspiration to kickstart your design. Now it's time to decide on a wireframe template. Whimsical provides several wireframe templates tailored to different types of projects, whether that's a website layout, a mobile app interface, or something else entirely. Review the options available and select the one that closely matches your project needs. This step allows you to leverage professional design patterns and streamline your work. After choosing your template, click on Use Template. With this action, the template will populate in your workspace. This brings you to a critical part of the process where customization begins. Here you can modify elements, add or remove components, and adjust anything to align with your unique design vision and branding. At this stage, the world is your oyster in terms of creativity. Utilize Whimsical's robust set of tools to insert new design elements, change layouts, and make any necessary adjustments. Whether it's moving elements around to better suit your needs or completely reimagining parts of the layout, this is where you bring your wireframe to life. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through creating wireframes in Whimsical. With these wireframes, you'll have a solid blueprint ready for the next steps in your design journey. Enjoy designing, and remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get at creating intuitive and effective layouts. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Happy wireframing!